Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. This giveaway video is because of the last video that I've made where I ask people to participate in a research that I'm doing for a very big project that I'm going to release and announce very soon. And the number of participants was amazing, 87% just for a few days. So those who participated, they got this amazing model that I have worked really hard to make. There are only two questions, which takes about 5 seconds to answer, but this time I have added an extra question. So it's 3 questions, but don't worry, it's still 5 seconds to answer. I took the video off, and since I got enough data, but then people asked me why I took the video off, so I thought, why not? I decided to create this new giveaway video and give you a chance to join all the others and of course enjoy this great gift. But this time I will take off the video when the number of participants reaches 500 or on March 17th, which is next Sunday, whichever comes first. As soon as I take the video off, you will receive your gift. So don't forget to add your email address and to check your spam box just in case. You will find the link in the video description. So go ahead, hurry up. I have a feeling that we will reach 500 before the deadline, so you don't want to miss it. But yeah, so that's it guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.